If CapCut is compressing your videos and ruining the final quality, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut compressing problem step by step. This is a very common issue, especially when CapCut's proxy or performance settings start affecting the export, or when your canvas and export settings are not matched properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to stop CapCut from over-compressing your videos and get a much cleaner export. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when I post the next guide. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. This fix works best on the desktop version because that's where the proxy and performance settings are most likely to affect your output. Once your project is open, look to the top right of the screen and find the Details panel. In that panel, click Modify. This is where CapCut keeps the settings that control how your project behaves. Now switch over to the Performance tab. This part is really important because CapCut can automatically create proxy files to help editing run smoother. The problem is that in some versions, this proxy compression can accidentally carry over into your final export and make the video look softer, more blurry, or over-compressed. To fix that, turn proxy off. Disabling proxy helps make sure CapCut uses your original source quality instead of a compressed editing version. After that, we're going to force a clean export canvas. Still inside the same Modify menu, go to the Details tab. Here, you want to manually match your project settings to your source video. If you're editing a horizontal video, set the canvas to 3840 by 2160, which is 4K. If you're making a TikTok or YouTube short style vertical video, set it to 9 by 16 and choose a custom 2K or 4K vertical size if available. The goal here is to stop CapCut from using a default canvas that can trigger extra compression at the output stage. Next, check the frame rate. If your original footage is 60 frames per second, set the project to 60 FPS. If your source file was recorded at a different frame rate, try to match that exactly. Matching the frame rate helps keep motion smooth and avoids extra quality loss during export. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Now we're ready for the export settings, and this is where a lot of people make mistakes. Click the blue Export button in the top right corner. When the Export panel opens, look carefully at the resolution setting. Keep this at 2K or 4K, even if you're uploading to a platform like Instagram or TikTok that may display it in a smaller size. The reason is simple. Exporting at a higher resolution can help the platform allocate a better bitrate when it processes your upload. Now find bitrate and change it from recommended to custom. This is one of the biggest fixes for compression issues. Select CBR, which stands for constant bitrate, and then enter a bitrate between 30,000 and 50,000 kbps. If your footage is very detailed or fast-moving, lean toward the higher end of that range. If it's a simpler edit, you may not need to go quite that high. The main idea is to give CapCut enough data to export a sharp-looking video instead of a heavily compressed one. Next, check the codec. Make sure H.264 is selected. In many cases, H.1264 gives a more reliable result and is easier for most platforms to handle. If you've noticed strange artifacting or your video looks worse after using HEFOC, avoid HEFOC and stick with H.264 instead. Finally, keep the format as MP4. That gives you a clean, widely compatible export format that works well for most uploads. Once all of those settings are in place, go ahead and export your video. After it finishes, take a quick look at the file before uploading it anywhere. You should notice much better clarity, less unwanted softness, and a cleaner final result overall. If you still see compression, double check that proxy is off, your canvas matches your footage, and your bitrate is set manually instead of recommended. So to quickly recap, open your project, turn proxy off in the Performance tab, match your canvas and frame rate in Details, then export in MP4 with H.264, 2K or 4K resolution, and a custom CBR bitrate between 30,000 and 50,000 kbps. Those steps can make a huge difference in fixing the CapCut compressing problem. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut editing tips, video quality fixes, and creator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.